Now I am going to start grade 5 slip test question paper. Subject science, that is blocks. I am going to take second and third block. Marks you will get 10 marks you will get. I am going to read the paper, just observe carefully. Do all arteries carry pure blood and all veins carry impure blood? What about pulmonary artery and vein? Why is pulmonary artery called an artery, not vein? Why is pulmonary vein called an vein and not an artery? B1. Draw the diagram of a tooth and label its parts. C1. Heart attack is very common these days. What is heart attack? D. Which type of animal will have canines? Why? And why do we have different types of teeth? Next question E. What does a doctor check for on your wrist when you go for a checkup? What is pulse rate? How do you check your heartbeat? Now here I am going to till E it is over. Now these all questions you have to write in a activity book only. Write the question and write the answer. Understood, children? You have to do everything in the activity book. Next one. Fill in the blank. See the first blank. The study of the human heart and its disorders is known as dash. Dash is a coating which protects tooth from decay. See, the movements of the blood through the heart and around the body is called dash. A doctor uses a dash to check if the heartbeat is normal or not. The dash in the blood helps to carry oxygen. The number of times a heart beats in a minute is known as the dash. So, till fill in the blanks I read, so you have to do everything in the workbook, activity book. Now, activity also you have to do in the activity book only. So, the activity is for you is draw the diagram of a structure of human heart, color it and label it neatly and write what is the significance of red and blue colored in the diagram of the human heart. What is an artery? What is a vein? How are the chambers on the left side of the heart different from the chambers on the right side of the heart? So here the diagram you have to draw like this. Got it, children, everyone? So you have to show me when you are drawing the diagram. Here left side of the heart different from the chambers on the right side of the heart. So when you see the left side and the right side, here you can see a blue color and the red color. What is the significance of it? So you have to write this all. Got it? And please draw like this, color it and label it properly in the activity book. Now we will go with project work. Project work says here stick the pictures of here project work. What you have to do? Draw the different types of teeth and its functions. So you have to draw the different types of teeth and its functions also. After drawing, labeling, and you have to write each and every teeth of its function, different types of teeth, and you have to write the functions. And next one, question continues. And what problems do old people face when they lose their teeth? And after completion of this work, what is drawing the teeth, labeling the teeth and writing its functions, leave one line and write what next one. What problems do old people face when they lose their teeth? Next paragraph it goes. After writing this question, again leave one line and go to next question. And what is the difference between milk teeth and permanent teeth? Means you have to leave one line and you have to write what is milk teeth and permanent teeth. And next one, leave one line and write down what are the ways to take care of our teeth. Again leave one line and you write down what are the ways to take care of teeth. Again afterwards you leave one line and go to next question. And what did the people use to clean teeth before the brush was invented? So in this one project you are having many questions. So read the question and go according to that. So here when you are doing, see I have given you the pattern how to do. So first what you will do here, first you will draw the types of teeth, functions you will write, and you will after
completion of the functions, leave one line and go to next. Old people pictures, you have to stick it here. The people, old people without teeth, stick the picture over here and write the answer for that one. And after completion of the answer, leave one line and go to the milk teeth. Stick one, the baby, small baby, means milk teeth, the baby with the milk teeth, and the baby without, with the permanent teeth. Anyone. You stick it, whatever you will get in your mind, you stick it, and then you write the difference between the milk teeth and the permanent teeth. After finishing this paragraph, leave one line and go to what are the ways to take care of the teeth. Okay? Brushing teeth. What are the ways? You stick one picture, brushing teeth. After completion of this answer, leave one line and write down before people what they were used when brush was not invented. That answer, you stick it and write the answers. Because this is the project work, you have to do minimum 2 papers or 3 papers, how it goes. But you have to complete the work, everything in the activity book.